y'all, it's Yvette, and I'm here with Vlogmas day 22, right? Yes. Today is Wednesday, December 22nd. I have to like really think about it sometimes. Is Wednesday, December 22nd. I am ready to open up my advent calendars, and you may be wondering why I'm sitting here in my pajamas again. I'm freezing. And this whole thing is like fleece, and it goes like it's got little booties and everything. Like it's totally all the way down. I was so cold, and not to mention I just got done with my live, and I'm ready to have dinner and all the things. I have some designing to do tonight. I have because I'm prepping for the live that Steph and I are going to have next New Year's Eve. Well, not next New Year's Eve, next Friday, which is New Year's Eve. And we're going to be sewing a pattern that I'm writing up as we speak. And we're going to start at about 9:30 p.m. And we're going to sew until probably like, 12:30 or something like that. I don't know. We're kind of winging it. We see how we feel kind of thing. So we could be sewing longer. Maybe we'll stop right after midnight. Who knows? But we'll definitely sew until at least midnight, watch the ball drop, and then we'll see where we are. So if you want to be notified every time that I'm having a live like that, or anytime I have a new video, please won't you subscribe to the channel and ring that bell so that you can be notified every time I do have a new video. So this video's tonight is probably going to be a little short and sweet. I'm going to open up my advent calendar boxes, and then I'm going to announce the winners of the 3 Happy Days by Sherry and Chelsea Fat Quarter bundles, and then we're going to be done for the night. So it's going to be a real quick little video. So let's open up the cotton cuts first. And the cotton cuts is called Rosa's Holiday Your Way. It's not actually called an advent box. I just want to say that. Let's pop it open and see what we get tonight. Oh, Jellybean wants to know what we're getting tonight. Okay, here is bag number 22. Jellybean, there's no nip in there, buddy. It would be kind of cool though, huh? You want me to tell Kim? Okay. I'll tell Kim you're looking for nip. Okay, so it says, be the reason someone smiles today. Jellybean is the reason I smile every day. So hopefully I make him smile too. Jellybean, now he's napping in there. He's going to have to move, unfortunately. And y'all, this is an adorable little fat quarter. Y'all, look at this. Are you serious right now? I don't even know what that is, but it is flippin' cute. And of course, no selvage. Nope. Or not the one with the writing on it anyway. Look how adorable. I just love those little flowers. Oh, so cute. Okay, Jellybean, baby, mommy has to close up this one. Can I hold you for a moment? Are you looking for warming up? Look at his little face. If y'all could just see his little face right now. Hey, buddy. Hi. Oh, now he's got his little motor running. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Can mommy close up this box, buddy? The place is already like a sty. We really don't need to keep this box out. Come see. It's okay. It's okay. Let me close this one up. Let's see what's in the other stuff, okay? Hold on. Let's see what's in the other ones. Yeah, we got more to open, buddy. Yeah, we got more. Okay. This is Allison Glass. This is her sticker advent calendar, and she really does call it an advent calendar. So now I'm looking for day 22. And day 22 is right smack in the middle. You see it right there. I'm talking to you like you're my cat. I'm so sorry. Oh, look. That's a cute one. Look, Jellybean. Yeah, it's log cabin, sort of. Okay, so there is our sticker. And then we have Crimson Tate. Jellybean does like this one, but normally he's sleeping on it down on the floor. So let's get this one open without popping him in the face. We really don't want to do that. All right, awesome. Oh, you like that one, huh? Look, no, here's number 22 in the Crimson Tate, and this is the Countdown to Fun box. I'm personally having fun. I'm loving this Crimson Tate. Okay, we got a sticker, guys. I'm so stoked. It's a little succulent. Can y'all see it? Because I see Jellybean is like all over it. There it is. It's a cactus, really. Okay, so I'm going to put that in there for later. And here we go. This is a piece of Violet Craft. This is part of her Modern Classics collection. And here's the solid to go along with it. Very nice. I have to say I'm happy with that. Awesome. Okay. Now we are going to put this one away till tomorrow. I know, buddy. That's how I feel too. More Crimson Tate, please. Do you want to tell everybody who won? Do you want to tell everybody? Yeah? Want to tell everybody? Oh, he's got his little more running again. Okay, I'll show y'all the Fat Quarter Bundle again. So this is one of them. It is the Sherry and Chelsea Happy Days collection. It's a nice big collection. I think there are 30 SKUs in here. Did I say that last time? Because I think, yes, 30 different fat quarters in this collection. And so I have already done the random YouTube comment picker. And I have the 3 people who have won. And Jellybean and I are going to announce them right now. After the video is over, I will have a little post that will put their names up. And so if you guys will please send me an email, and you can send it to Yvette at YvetteReneCreations.com, and tell me your address. Let me know where to send your Fat Quarter Bundle. So the first winner is Margaret Highlander. Congratulations, Margaret. If I scooch over a little bit. Oh, well, if I scooch over a little bit, then Jellybean's in the way. But I'll try to put your post right there. So everybody can also know what you want to see at the movies on Christmas Day. The second winner is... Nancy Pollard. Congratulations, Nancy. I'm gonna put your little suggestion right there. You look so sleepy, buddy. You do. You look sleepy. Mommy's always sleepy too. You and I can go take a nap, okay? And the third winner is Celine De Phillips. Celine De Phillips. I hope I'm saying that right. I'm going to post your winning comment right here. And again, if you ladies will send me an email, Yvette at YvetteReneCreations.com, give me your address, and I will send the Fat Quarter Bundles off to you guys. So thanks for coming tonight and watching my unboxings of more Advent calendar. And thank you, ladies, for making comments, and to all of you who commented on that video. I had over 200 comments. It was really amazing. I appreciate you guys so much. So again, if you aren't already subscribed, please won't you do so, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks so much. Mwah!